Planting flowers in raised garden beds. Planting flowers in raised garden beds. A beginner's guide. Welcome to our channel, where we bring your garden dreams to life. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of planting beautiful flowers in raised garden beds, perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Whether you're looking to add color to your backyard or attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, raised beds are a smart and stylish way to grow vibrant flowers. 1. Why use raised garden beds? Raised garden beds offer several advantages. They provide excellent drainage, preventing root rot. The soil warms up faster in spring, giving your flowers an early start. You have more control over soil quality, moisture, and spacing. Raised beds also reduce back strain, no more bending too low. If you live in an area with poor soil or limited space, raised beds are the perfect solution for a thriving flower garden. 2. Choosing the right flowers. Before you plant, decide what kind of flowers you want. Consider these categories. Sun lovers, marigolds, petunias, zinnias, and geraniums thrive in full sun. Shade lovers, impatiens, begonias, and coleus are great for shaded areas. Pollinator-friendly, lavender, coneflowers, and salvia attract bees and butterflies. Choose a mix of annuals and perennials for year-round color and impact. 3. Preparing the raised bed. Start by cleaning the raised bed and removing weeds or debris. Then, fill it with a high-quality garden soil mix, ideally one that contains compost, topsoil, and organic matter. Make sure the bed is about 10 to 12 inches deep to allow proper root growth. Loosen the soil using a trowel or fork, and water it lightly before planting. 4. Planting your flowers. Now it's time to plant. Arrange your flowers while they're still in their pots to get a sense of spacing and design. Place taller plants toward the back or center, and shorter ones around the edges. Dig holes are slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Gently remove each flower from its container and loosen the roots. Place it into the hole, cover with soil, and press gently. After planting, water thoroughly to help the flowers settle and remove air pockets around the roots. 5. Care and maintenance. To keep your flowers healthy. Water consistently, especially during dry periods. Add mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage new blooms. Watch for pests or disease and treat them early. With regular care, your raised bed will become a vibrant, blooming centerpiece in your garden. That's all for today's video on planting flowers in raised garden beds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy planting. Let me know if you'd like this script translated into Urdu, extended for a 10-minute video, or adjusted for a specific type of flower or audience.